basic and simple video. Everyday makeup. We're gonna try to keep this down to very minimum products. This is for beginners, this is for every day, and it's gonna be very simple. First things first, I've already cleansed my skin, I've moisturized. I decided to use the Rimmel's Stay Matte Mattifying Primer. I've already primed my face. I am an oily girl, so anything that goes on my face is going to be mattifying. I don't like to shine, period. Okay? Make sure your eyebrows are done. Make sure they're done, make sure they're clean. If you just...
We're gonna start with just combing this up. Combing your hair up in the direction that it's growing, okay? Same thing for this one.
Second time starting this video, we're gonna do it without stopping. Okay. Alright, so with the pencil, make sure your pencil is sharpened. This is just a Nika K dark brown pencil, very basic. So first things first, let's go ahead and outline our eyebrows. So very light strokes. Do not go in and just marking over that end. Very light strokes. Alright, so once you're done coloring that in, you're going to take your spoolie, just a little brush on the end, on the other end, and just brush that product through. You know, colored outside the lines. Don't worry about it, it's okay, because we have a little magic. It's called concealer, and we're going to hook that right on up. So just brush that product all the way through. We're going to go into our concealer palette. I am using NYX Down. We're going to use the brown that's here. I'm going to grab my Morphe 432. It's a flat top brush. It's just dab into it. Not too much product, just a little bit. Same way. And you're just literally following along that pencil. And then you're going to take it, you're not going to add any more product, you are just going to bring that line down. Same thing for the top.
Take your time, boy, take your time, girl. There's nothing worse than mucking up on a brow. But it's okay because we're beginners and we muck up occasionally. But not today. We're going to take our time on this one, alright?
Invincible.
I'm going to go in with a concealer brush, just a little dense buffing brush.
Okay. Same thing for the top. Dab, 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 dab. Pat, 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 pat. Pat, pat, pat.
Color correcting will help that, you know, just even out your skin tone. So make sure your blender is always damp. And now we're going to pat this into our skin as well. We're not going to drag. We're just going to dab it into our skin. Tonight I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I told you everything that goes on my face is matte. I need it matte. Matte and Poreless, I'm going to be in the shade 356. That's Warm Coconut. And I'm going to go in with my brush, Real Techniques. This is dab in different places of your face, and as you can tell, and foundations do oxidize. So right now you may be like, sis, that's not your skin tone. Foundations oxidize. We're gonna skip this step, and what we will do, however, we're gonna go into our Black Radiance. This is Golden Almond. So let's do a little cheating. And to brighten up under these eyes, we're gonna take this powder and we're just gonna dab it under. Just and what we're gonna go into now, Black Radiance Soft Focus. This is in medium, nope, this is in Milk Chocolate. We're gonna bring some color back into our skin. It's really actually pretty nice where it is, but we're gonna go ahead and take it up a notch because I love blush. Blush is life. It's a Heron Blush Volume 1, Juvia's Place. Very reasonable, black owned, okay. Very pigmented. Be careful with this blush, sis. You don't want to be walking around with red cheeks. Okay, that's what we're not gonna do.
Under your cheekbone. And if you look, it gives you just a little hint of color. It brings you back your color back. If you feel like
Pencil, and just gonna go over your eye. Take your time. Invincible. And use Morphe. This is new by Morphe. I absolutely love it. It really does set your makeup. Highlight is life. So what I'm gonna go into, another Black Radiance product. Black Radiance Walmart. And I'm gonna just line my lips. Crayon case, private party. And we're just gonna dab it in the middle. This is the look. This is what we have. It's very simple. It didn't take us long. I'll count how many products we use, but we didn't use that many products. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about the video. Let me know what I can do better, what I can do less of down below. Until next time, I'm out.